Please subscribe to CB99 videos.
So here we are at the tiny house, Wake with the Sun. It's a tiny solar-powered houseboat. And now I'm going to show you the IKEA kitchen hack that we did for Wake with the Sun tiny solar-powered houseboat. So let's walk inside. And we have a nice IKEA kitchen right here. We've got a set of
24-inch wide drawers. There are 3 of them, the bottom 2 being the same height and the top one being a little shorter. And then we have the same thing on the other corner, except the drawers are 18 inches wide.
1 shorter and then 2 bigger drawers. We also have a little fridge here, which is sitting under the IKEA countertop. It's 4.5 cubic feet, running on alternating current, all powered by our solar powered roof. And so this is the main kitchen. So you can see that's really the whole IKEA kitchen right there. We've got a piece of butcher block, countertop, and 2 sets of cabinets. One 18 inches, one 24 inches. The hacking came when we did a couple of things. First of all, notice that the kitchen countertop is rounded.
So our builder
rounded the countertops to make it a little easier to get around and not to hit yourself on the corners. In addition, we've got this nice sink that we bring our lake water up to wash our hands and our dishes. And the sink is a small sink because we're in a tiny house. So we have a nice cutout here in the butcher block. Right there, you can see.
Our builder has cut out a piece of the butcher block and finished it with a nice curve.
So that you can come in and get close to the sink, and at the same time, you have this beautiful curve on the butcher block countertop.
So the depth of the countertop that the builder cut out is less than 24 inches, whereas the standard depth is 25 5/8.
The way the countertop came, we've had this since 2013. And we have since polyurethaned the kitchen countertop just recently. And notice this would have been one long piece that was cut here and split for the positioning of the sink.
And of course, to turn the corner.
The final hack that we did, which is kind of cool, so you can see
the outside wall of the cabinet.
And if I take a measuring tape there, you can see that that is a 21-inch deep cabinet plus the little extra for the drawer. When we first got these drawers, this back wall here was 2 inches longer. And there was 2 inches of dead space between
the end of the cabinet
and the end of the drawers. So what we did was we cut out the extra 2 inches of dead space in the back so that the back of the drawer now meets right at the end of the wall there. And you can see that this length here doesn't have any extra. The length of the drawer itself up until the wall
of the cabinet
is approximately 21 inches. So that was the hacks that we did. We cut out the dead space in the back by shortening the wall, the back walls of the cabinets. We did that for both this cabinet and for the other cabinet. Also by cutting out the dead space behind the cabinets sit tucked under the butcher block rather than sticking out from it, which is very nice too.
Thank you for watching my IKEA hacks video. Please subscribe to CB99 videos.